Solana has been one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in recent years due to its speed, scalability, and growing ecosystem. Since its launch in 2020, Solana has positioned itself as an alternative to Ethereum by offering faster transactions and lower fees. The blockchain boasts the ability to handle over 65,000 transactions per second, a figure far greater than Ethereum's current capacity. This performance advantage has attracted developers, decentralized applications, dApps, and investors to the Solana ecosystem. To evaluate if Solana can reach $400 by the end of 2025, one must consider technical, fundamental, and macroeconomic factors. Currently, Solana trades significantly below $400, making such a target ambitious but not impossible. In past bull markets, major cryptocurrencies have delivered exponential returns within short periods. For example, Ethereum rose from under $100 to over $4,000 in just a few years. Such historical precedent shows that in crypto, sharp and seemingly unrealistic price surges are possible. One of the biggest drivers for Solana's potential growth is its thriving developer ecosystem. Solana has become a hub for decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming, and NFT projects. In addition, projects like Serum and Jupiter have brought significant trading activity to the chain. The ecosystem's diversity could attract more users and investors, fueling Solana's price upwards. Institutional adoption is another factor that cannot be ignored. If hedge funds, asset managers, and crypto ETFs start accumulating Solana, it would boost demand dramatically. Furthermore, Solana's partnerships with payment processors and Web3 companies signal a promising future. However, the path to $400 is not without challenges. Solana has faced several network outages in the past, raising concerns about its reliability. These issues have somewhat dented investor confidence compared to Ethereum or Bitcoin. Yet, the Solana team has been actively improving the network's stability. If outages become a thing of the past, investor sentiment could turn more positive. Another crucial factor is the broader macroeconomic environment. Cryptocurrencies thrive when liquidity is abundant, and risk assets perform well. If global interest rates decline by 2025, investors could pour money back into crypto. Bitcoin's halving in 2024 is also expected to kickstart another crypto bull market. Historically, altcoins like Solana perform even better during Bitcoin-led rallies. Price predictions vary widely, with some analysts forecasting Solana between $200 to $500 in the next cycle. A move to $400 would require strong demand, high adoption, and a favorable market cycle. At the same time, competition from Ethereum, Polygon, and other blockchains remains strong. If Solana fails to differentiate itself, capturing market share could become difficult. Still, Solana's low fees and high transaction speed provide it with a unique edge. Retail investors also play a vital role in crypto price surges. If Solana becomes the Ethereum of the masses due to affordability, retail. Ultimately, reaching $400 will depend on a mix of technology upgrades, adoption, investor confidence, and macro trends. It is an ambitious target, but in the world of crypto, ambitious targets are often achieved. If 2025 brings a favorable bull market, Solana could indeed touch or surpass $400. However, if challenges persist or the global economy weakens, the target may remain elusive. Investors should therefore approach with optimism but also with caution. Diversification, research, and patience remain essential in navigating crypto markets. In conclusion, Solana's journey to $400 by the end of 2025 is uncertain but possible. Its fundamentals, ecosystem growth, and adoption trends point towards strong potential. But as with any crypto investment, risks and volatility cannot be ignored. Whether Solana hits $400 will depend on how it handles challenges and capitalizes on opportunities.